Let's go about implementing that. Let's say I have my old definition of sequence of x, y, and we say return the tuple consisting of a sequence x and y. And now I want to change that. How would I change it? Well, instead of x and y, I think I'm going to insist that we have at least one argument. So I'm going to say x and then the rest of the args. And I can say if the length of the rest of the args equals 1, then I've got this binary case, and then I can take the sequence of x. The second arg is now no longer called y, it's called args at 0. Else, now I've got a recursive case with more than 2 args, and I can do something there. So it's not that hard, but I had to do a lot of violence to this definition of sequence. And come to think of it, I may be repeating myself, because I had to do this for sequence, and I'm also going to have to do it for alt. And if I expand my program, let's say I start wanting to take on arithmetic as well as regular expressions, then I may have functions for addition and multiplication and others, and I'm going to have to make exactly the same changes to all these binary functions. So that seems to violate the don't repeat yourself principle. I'm making the same changes over and over again. It's more work for me. There's a possibility of introducing bugs. Is there a better way? So let's back up and say, what are we doing in general? Well, we're taking a binary function f of x, y, and we want to transform that somehow into an n-ary function, f prime, which takes x and any number of arguments. The question is, can we come up with a way to do that, to automatically change one function or modify or generate a new function from the definition of that original function?